Got damaged. It's not sticking anymore. Goes to YouTube and it goes to our channel. Oh yeah. So Bertha is getting tattoos. Quick, it's not gonna stick. That didn't work. There we go. I think that looks fantastic. What's this, honey? Looks like we got packages. What did you order? Spent money again.
Open them up. You will see.
Oh,
it's a surprise.
This is from VistaPrint.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Look at these.
This is our hats.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Our logo looks good. I think this looks awesome. I love the black and white, and it doesn't feel like it's stitched on here, which is cool. So it's not like something that sticks out.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of blended in.
Yeah.
Being like a silk screen, so it looks really good.
I like that logo. Really
nice.
pops.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's this one?
Let's see. Oh, do I
wait.
get something more?
Check in the box.
Hey, I almost missed this.
What is that? Ooh, our barcodes. Nice. And we're gonna stick this on the car so people can follow us. And all right, check. Let's see if it works.
Yeah.
We'll test it out live. Okay, I got my scanner QR code thing going. And it goes to YouTube and it goes to our channel. Oh yeah, it works.
Sweet.
Good job. Okay, now stick that on the car. And we've got instructions with it. So we're gonna follow that to make sure we don't mess up the vehicle.
Yeah.
This way, when we're going on our trip, people will be able to like, share, and follow our videos and our content.
Exactly. It makes life so much easier.
Yeah, I think this is going to pair really well with our YouTube. So the QR code is going to go right next to this. That's awesome.
And what's in the big one?
What else do we have? Oh my God. That is awesome. I love this decal. I'm going to put this on the back glass. And on
the passenger door.
side, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing. Cool. Let's go get it installed on the car now.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, we're ready to rock and roll with our vinyls, decals that we have from VistaPrint that we got today. And I'm going to start with this cleaner. It's a general purpose cleaner and get the spot clean. So I think what I plan to do is we're going to get the Endless Pursuit and this barcode right here on both sides of the car. So that will be our first step, and we're going to get started with that. Pause for a sec. Too many mosquitoes. I'm getting bitten. I'll light up these mosquito coils so that I can work in peace. We bought this from Princess Auto to hang. I think I'm going to keep it right here where I work so that it spreads around. Along with that, I'll also light this guy, which is our camping one that we use. It's almost over. I need to get some refills, but I think it should keep us going for a little bit. Allow us to work in peace without getting eaten alive. Okay, so this is already cleaned and dry. It should be ready to now follow the instructions. So it says, make sure your glass surface is clean. Mix a little bit of warm water. That's done. The paper towel or cloth, apply the mixture to the glass and leave it dry. So grab another towel and with our little warm soapy water mix, I'm just gonna squeeze some of that out and get that on here. And that's where it's going. Next step, it says peel the backing and position the decal on the window. Well, we're not putting this on the window, but we'll peel the backing. Interesting to try and do this when I don't have nails. There we go. I'll make sure this is nice and wet so we can still move things around if we need to. This looks good right here. And I also want to do the barcode at the same time because they're going right next to each other. So I'll do this one too. Does that look good? And then they said squeegee out any excess water. I missed one of the steps, which it said do it with a cloth. So we can do that now. And then wipe down the area with a cloth, and that's it. I believe. Let me just peel this off, because that didn't say peel off the. Yeah, it didn't say. But I guess that's what we're supposed to do, so I'm gonna dry this off and then. Yep, that didn't work. I guess it stays on like this. So I need to redo some of the soapy water thing here. Try that again. Reapply. Dry cloth. Get any of these bubbles out of the way. That is. Ooh. That is. Ooh. That's not supposed to happen. That's why I think they said make sure it dries for 24 hours so it heals. So be careful when you're doing this because, just like I did, I'm gonna peel that section off. I don't think this section is going to stick, so I might cut that just to make sure that it doesn't snag. Won't look the best, but this is more important than just that corner, because that corner was not sticking anyway, so we're done. Remove that. And there we go. That is our very first decal on our car. I love it. Looks good. I just need to let it cure. Next step, again, soapy water. Okay, looks good. Car is dirty, so we need to take her for a wash, but at least I'm cleaning out the spots where we're putting the stuff right now. And now we gotta decide where are the big ones going. I know this one I'm gonna do it on the other side, but I need to decide where we want to put this guy. So one option is it goes here, but it's not going to be as visible because this is black. Alternative is go in this door. I think this looks decent, right? You can go on the glass,
Not really.
but I'm scared that it'll get damaged every time with the glass going down, so I think we'll put it here.
Yeah, I would say the same.
Okay, I'm gonna clean this door and we'll get started. Soapy water. Good. Bertha is getting tattoos.
Yeah.
Come on. Why are you so difficult? VistaPrint, if you can make your decals easier to take out, this backing sheet would be nice. You know, some of those vendors, they have peel here and then it makes it easy. You should do that. This is not fun. And this does feel kind of heavy quality, so I feel like this is going to stay for sure, but I just can't get it open.
I know.
Oh my goodness. And the problem with bending those edges is then I have to cut that because it doesn't stick. Okay. Almost there. There we go. That was a fun one.
Careful.
Don't get stuck. And now I gotta redo the soapy water. You don't want it to stick right away. Is that good?
Yeah, I think so.
Cool. I think I'm gonna put it at this height. And it's also, because we do that, it's easier to measure the distance from this line because the body contour is right here. So it makes it a little easier to do that measurement. I'm actually going to bring it right up to the line so it'll be equal on the other side. The only thing is it won't go around that curvature, so we gotta... Can you pass me the soapy towel, please?
Yeah.
Quick, 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 it's not gonna stick. Quickly. Squeezed out too much.
Oh, sorry.
It has to be down here because this curve is not allowing us to stick on it. Okay, there we go. I think that looks fantastic. There you go. We're done.
Yeah.
You just have to do the other side.
Yeah. Honey, stand right beside the logo. I'm taking a picture. Do some poses. Good.
Come on.
Okay. One side is done. And we have how many to go, honey?
Just the 2 on this side.
Cool.
So we're gonna do the exact same on the other side, and I'm just measuring to see. So this is gonna match up with the contour of the line on the other side, so I'm not too worried about this. I'm gonna measure where I'm gonna start. So it's 3 inches on the other side, so I'm gonna do exactly the same. 3 and 4. That should be good. Yeah. I'm gonna do the same here. So this matches up with the line as well, so that is good. I just need to make sure that from the headlight to here is roughly about 18 inches. So I'm going to do 18 inches. Yeah. 18, and this guy is 8 from here. So perfect. We put it on the exact same spots and we should be good. Just need to squeegee this little bubbles. I don't want it peeling off. I can already see that there's going to be some. And it's also because Bertha has a lot of battle scars. Her dents and scratches and whatnot, so sometimes it may not fully adhere as well, but this is just our first kick at the can, so if this doesn't work, at least we know what it looks like. We'll see how it does on the road trip, and then we can always get new ones. Yeah, now, because we can't record on the other side because there's not a lot of space, I'm gonna go do that, but it's gonna be the exact same process, so we'll show you the final product later. Cheers. I was doing this by myself single-handedly and got damaged. It's not sticking anymore. I'm trying. It's still sticky on the back. This thing still has some gluiness to it. Yeah, it's still sticky, but it's not sticking. I put more soapy water. And it doesn't want to stick. It's got that cut and it looks nasty. So I'm gonna maybe cut across like this. I don't know, maybe on both sides I'm gonna do a cut just to make it even. Yeah. I'm gonna cut it and make it a little bit cleaner because this thing got buggered up. I want to use a lot of other words right now. But yeah, so cut a little bit more.
It's okay, this is our first time doing it.
I know, but I think they made a product that is good for the most part, but installation for it is not that great.
It's not quite user-friendly, hey?
I know. Okay, if I go and keep cutting, I'm gonna just make it worse. Okay, that's the best for now. I'll leave it there. And it's probably gonna peel off at some point. VistaPrint, not happy. So I'll explain what happened. When I was taking off the backing sheet, those extra dangling threads that are around, I peeled and I was trying to remove them at the same time. And while doing that, one of them got stuck in the middle in between the sheets. And when I was trying to untangle it, it ripped. And it ripped across this way. Luckily it didn't go across the logo, because then it would have just been not installed. But yeah, this is not the best at this point. It is what it is. We will contact customer support and see what we can do. And we'll have to probably either find better quality vendors or see if VistaPrint can do something better for us. I like the look, it's nice. I just don't like the installation process, and I don't think I'm happy with how they have this stick and peel thing that doesn't really work that well. Anyways, 90% complete, we just have one more to go. So one thing to keep in mind if you're doing something like we're doing, where we put this vinyl stickers on this quarter panel, or the fender, sorry, is on the other side, in the older 4Runners, there's a long antenna. And that antenna is, if you stand right here, is exactly where I put my barcode here, on the opposite side. So this barcode is not going to go where that antenna is. I'm going to have to shift this a little forward, or I can put this and then gap where the antenna is and the barcode after. So I think I might do that. I'm just going to measure and see. It doesn't have to be 100% exactly the same, but I wanted it to be equal. So this was approximately 8 inches from here, from where this line is for the contour. So it might be 7 on the other side. We'll make it work. Yeah, so where the contour line starts. Actually, it might still work. No, it won't. So I'll have to put the barcode right here, space, and then it'll still work. We got this. We'll make it work. So I already did the spray and clean on this side. Now I'm going to do the soapy water, and we'll get this done. So what I was talking about earlier when I did the review was this strand, whatever the hell this is, was what got snagged in between the two things, and when I was trying to pull it open and clean it to remove it, it pulled and peeled the front part of the sticker, the decal. Oh wow, this one was easy to remove. Okay. Soapy water. Right here. That's done. And then our barcode, QR code, I should say. We'll go right here.
That's your favorite part, peeling this off.
Nope. No, it's not. I'll make sure it's the right way around. And that's perfect. And we are done. Dunzo. Wheels on. Ready for our road trip.
The installation is done, but the real test comes after curing. We'll share the results and our final verdict in the follow-up video.